Hi, my name is Jesse Jackson III. I am a pastry and chef instructor at the Culinary Institute of America in Hyde Park, New York. I did a presentation today on donuts for the Bread Bakers Guild of America, and I want to thank them very much for the opportunity and afforded me this opportunity to come and teach this class representing them. This is my first time at IBIE, and I had a blast. I never knew there were so many different things, or so many different manufacturers, equipment, tools, ingredients that could go into the baking industry. So it's really, really awesome to see all those things, and my message to anyone that wants to come to or should think about coming, IBIE is just come, right? There's something for everyone. There's lots of food, lots of samples, a lot of knowledgeable people that have a lot to show and teach you and show you and perhaps give you some advice on how to make your career better, how to make your product better. If perhaps you own a business and you're looking to increase your sales, increase your products, right? Increase your product line, right? They can be here for that, and you can grow from that. So appreciate it, and we'll see you next time.